we've been polishing this thing for about a couple minutes. You want to start off slow, spread this polishing compound around there, and then as it dries, you want to lessen the pressure on it so that it's basically just riding on top of it. As you can see, it looks pretty good. So we're gonna take our wet rag and wipe off the stuff that's splattered all over the place, and wipe off the excess polishing compound. And it's just a damp paper towel, that's all it is. And there you go. Not perfect, but look a lot better than it did. So this is the side we just did, and this is the side we did prior. So let me just sorry about this, but this is a customer's car, and they probably don't want us to see the license plate. So let me back up some. So you can see looks pretty good. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.